Hi everyone, this is Gloria Home of Skills. Welcome back to my video. So what you see here is Canoe brand soap. You can also call it Cameroon brand soap. If you have been looking for where to learn Canoe brand soap or translucent brand soap or Cameroon brand soap, this video is a good news to you. Rush to my DM and ask for this formula, okay? Can use this number that I put on the screen to write me on WhatsApp or Telegram. Do you know that this translucent Canoe brand soap or Cameroon soap is made with just three materials? You can also purchase a cutter from me like this one I am using in this video. This cutter comes with a stamp, comes with two big mold, comes with a trimmer and a groove. Can cut two different sizes of soaps. So rush now to my DM if you want to learn this Canoe brand soap. It's just made with three materials. If you want to learn this, come to my DM and I will give you the formula. So this formula is mainly for people that want to join my online class. You not to be confused when you write me. I have explained it here, okay? Watch this video to the end to see how to use this cutter while making your soap and to see the outcome of the soap after the production and everything. Please don't forget to like and share this video. Follow me, subscribe to my channel. So do not believe people that says that you cannot produce the soap without a machine. This formula is going to prove it for you. So continue watching this video to the end to see the outcome. Thank you.